The Sufi Art of Acceptance, Rida. Finding peace in life's unfolding. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Sufi Essence with Hammad Syed. We all strive for a life of ease and happiness. Yet life's journey invariably brings twists and turns, unexpected challenges, unfulfilled desires, and moments that test our very core. It's in these moments that we often find ourselves resisting, wishing things were different, or struggling against the currents of destiny. But what if true peace isn't found in controlling every outcome, but in embracing a profound spiritual state of acceptance? Today we delve into the Sufi Art of Acceptance, Rida. Finding peace in life's unfolding. We'll explore Rida not as passive resignation, but as an active, conscious surrender to divine will. A beautiful surrender that liberates the heart from anxiety, purifies the soul, and unlocks an unparalleled tranquility amidst life's storms. Prepare to discover the liberating power of a contented heart. Part 1. The human struggle with acceptance. Resistance to reality. Our natural inclination is often to resist circumstances that are unpleasant, inconvenient, or contrary to our desires, leading to internal suffering. The desire for control? We inherently seek control over our lives, our circumstances, and even others. When this control is elusive, frustration and anxiety set in, wishing things were different. A common source of inner turmoil is constantly wishing things were other than they are. If only I had, ... If only this hadn't happened, ... Why me? Emotional repercussions. Resistance manifests as anger, bitterness, resentment, anxiety, a chronic state of dissatisfaction, even when external circumstances are otherwise fine. The illusion of idealism. Social media and popular culture often portray an idealized reality, making it harder to accept the messy, imperfect nature of actual life. Spiritual blockage. This constant internal struggle consumes immense spiritual energy and creates a veil between the seeker and Allah's wisdom, hikmah, in His decrees. It prevents the heart from receiving divine solace. Part 2. Rida in Sufism. A divine station in Sufism. Rida is a highly esteemed spiritual station, signifying a profound state of inner contentment and acceptance with Allah's decree and destiny, Qadar wa Qadar. More than saber patience. While saber patience is enduring hardship without complaint, Rida goes beyond that. It is to be content and pleased with Allah's decree, even when it is outwardly difficult or painful. It's an internal cheerfulness, a delight in Allah's choice for you. Rooted in Tawhid oneness of Allah, Rida flows from a deep understanding of Tawhid, that Allah is the sole actor, the all-wise Al-Hakim, the all-knowing Al-Alam, and the most merciful Ar-Rahman. Every event, every condition is from Him and contains His wisdom and mercy, even if hidden. Prophets, peace be upon him, example. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, epitomized Rida in the face of immense trials, persecution, loss, betrayal. His heart remained utterly content and trusting in Allah's plan, love for Allah's choice. For the person of Rida, there is no preferring a different outcome once Allah has decreed something. Their will merges with Allah's will, choosing what Allah has chosen for them. The secret of peace. Rida is the secret to enduring happiness, for it frees the heart from attachment to conditions. The happiness of a person of Rida is not dependent on external events, but on their inner state of contentment with their Lord. Part 3. Cultivating the Art of Rida. Practical Sufi approaches. How does a Sufi seeker cultivate this profound state of Rida, especially when faced with challenging circumstances? Tafakkur, contemplation on divine wisdom, deeply reflecting on Allah's names, especially Al-Hakim, the All-Wise, and Allah, the All-Knowing. Realizing that Allah's plan is perfect, even if we cannot grasp its wisdom. It's pondering the hidden blessings in past trials. Dhikr, remembrance of Allah with presence. Engaging in Dhikr, particularly phrases that affirm Allah's power and our reliance on Him, like Hasbunallah, wa Namo Wakil. Allah is sufficient for us, and He is the best disposer of affairs. This shifts focus from the problem to the all-powerful solution. Surrender in dua supplication. When making dua, ask for what you desire, but always add, and if it is not better for me, then make me content with what you have decreed. This trains the heart to accept. Accepting the present moment, practice mindfulness, bringing your attention fully to the present moment without judgment. When you notice resistance, gently acknowledge it and consciously choose acceptance. Letting go of shoulds, challenge the mental narratives of how things hold be. Embrace what is as part of the divine tapestry. Recognizing the transience of dunya, remind yourself that this worldly life is temporary, and every trial is ultimately a means of purification and elevation towards the eternal abode. This lessens attachment to fleeting outcomes. Emulating the prophets and righteous, reflect on the lives of prophets like Prophet Ayob's alayhi salam patience, Yusuf's alayhi salam trials, and saints who exemplified Rida in the face of immense suffering. Their stories provide strength and inspiration. What is one challenging situation you're currently facing that you can try to approach with Rida? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Part 4. The Fruits of Rida, a Liberated Heart. When the heart attains the station of Rida, the transformation is profound, leading to a state of unparalleled inner peace and spiritual freedom. Profound inner peace, Sakina. The constant struggle against reality ceases. The heart settles into a deep, unshakable tranquility that is independent of external circumstances. Freedom from anxiety and worry. The burden of future outcomes and past regrets is lifted. You trust Allah's management of affairs completely. True joy and contentment, Kana. Happiness is no longer conditional on things going your way. You find joy in every state. It's recognizing it as from Allah. This is true Kana. It's a deeper connection to Allah. Rida is a sign of deep love and trust in Allah. It fosters an intimate, loving relationship as you accept His choices for you with a full heart. Spiritual clarity. With the inner turmoil of resistance gone, the heart's spiritual insight, basira, becomes clear, enabling you to perceive the divine wisdom and beauty even in challenging situations. Resilience and strength, you become spiritually robust, able to face any adversity with an inner fortitude that comes from deep acceptance. Baraka, divine blessing. Allah blesses the person who is content with His decree, often opening doors and providing solutions in unexpected ways. Conclusion, the sanctuary of surrender. The Sufi art of Rida is the pinnacle of surrender, a beautiful and active acceptance of Allah's unfolding plan for our lives. It's a journey from resistance to profound contentment, from anxiety to unshakable peace. In a world that constantly pushes us to strive, control, and complain, Rida invites us to step into the sanctuary of divine will, to embrace what is with a loving heart, and to realize that true peace is found not in changing our circumstances, but in transforming our perception of them. This is truly the essence of Sufi essence. Thank you for joining me on this transformative journey into the Sufi art of acceptance. If this lecture resonated with your soul, please like this video to help share this vital message. Subscribe to Sufi Essence with Hammad Syed for more profound insights into Islamic spirituality, and remember to hit the notification bell. How has the concept of Rida impacted your understanding of peace? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your insights empower our growing community. Till our next spiritual unveiling, may Allah grant us all the profound peace of Rida.